Hi, my name is Anil Wagi and I'm the program coordinator for the Chemistry and Biochemistry Program at Plymouth State University. I welcome you to the Chemistry and Biochemistry Program, and I would like to give you a tour of our building. So once you park in the parking lot outside the Boyd Science Center, you will find the parking lot is between the Plymouth Library and the admissions office. They're opposite to Boyd Science Center. If you take the stairs, the first floor is actually after you take the stairs up, where you will see posters of all different students who presented their research work in all different conferences. You can also take the elevator if you want to come first floor. The first floor, first office on the right is my office, and you see all different kind of posters from the students who work in chemistry and biochemistry programs in this hallway. You could have your poster here someday, and you could think about what kind of research you can do, and we can mentor your research, help you, and come up with a good project for your senior research. Here you see that a lot of our students who have presented their work in many different conferences all over US, so not only here. So we went to many national conferences. This is my office, and unfortunately you can't see me here because I am recording this, so I will put my picture at the end of this. So this is our instrument room where we have very sophisticated instruments. This is UV visible spectrometer, and then on the far end what you see is an MR spectrometer. So this is the one which you can use it to identify different organic compounds. Just across that you will see the organic chemistry lab, and in this we are going through the lab, and you'll see all sort of equipments in this lab. One of the things which you not notice in this lab is no pipes which are blocking you. So anywhere you sit in this lab, you can see the board and the instructor. An instructor can watch you also. So this is excellent for the safety. These rooms are Zoom equipped room. This one is the instrument room which is attached to the organic chemistry lab, and this one what you see is the senior research room. When you are senior, you will be assigned a desk back around here where you can keep your things and work here alone with your colleagues and under guidance from your instructor. There are a lot of equipments here, and you're allowed to use, and you'll be trained to use all of these equipments. So many of these equipments, like you see here, came from different brands also. So once you come out of this senior research room, you will find there is a little meeting room which is Boyd 101, which is really nice. Many students use this for doing their homework or staying alone, meeting with their friends, and many faculty members and students sometimes meet here to talk about different issues. Very nice view from this room. So this is one of the kid room. Another place is this is the room where you will find many of your freshman chemistry instructors and also senior classes instructors. This is Margaret Crowell and Dr. Aparna Wage. Hello, this is Dr. Wage, and let me ask her to introduce herself.
Hi, this is I'm Aparna Wage, and I'm one of the chemistry faculty. As a freshman, you will be taking General Chemistry 1 and 2 courses, so I teach both of those courses. As well as for both chemistry and the biochemistry major, I also do teach physical chemistry course. That's something you will be taking in the third year of your curriculum, which is a junior year. I also oversee the tutoring, so as a chem major, biochem major, You may be involved in peer tutoring, so I oversee that also. And currently we are working on coming up with the curriculum for applied chemistry, where you can apply your knowledge of chemistry to different disciplines, for example, forensic science. So if you have any questions, you can email me or you can call me, or you can certainly contact the chair of our program. Thank you.
Dr. Wage was also a recipient of one of the Distinguished Teacher Award. This is Margaret Crowell. She's one of the person who will help you in all different ways while you are here. This is our biochemistry lab, and so biochemistry lab, again, you see, just like all our labs are well equipped. Considering the mid-scale university, you will see high-tech instruments which we have, and you have one of the biggest advantage when you come to this kind of university, especially Plymouth State University, where you can use all these equipments as undergrad students. Usually the research universities doesn't let undergrad students use the equipment. They have graduate students or postdocs which usually handle all the equipments. So this is a special training which you can use it for your resume building, and this will give you a competitive edge also. This is our office. Outside our office, you will see pictures of all our instructors. Jessica Morgan, you see Nicole, and then those are my pictures also. So that is me.
Hi, welcome to Plymouth State University. We're glad to have you in the chemistry program. If you need any help while you're here, feel free to stop by the office. I'm in Boyd 122.
So Dr. Jessica Weiss and Jessica are not here today, but they often come here, and when you are here, you will be able to meet them in person. This is the general chemistry lab. So we are going in the general chemistry lab. So first year when you come, you will probably come to this room. What you see is, again, no hoses or pipes which are blocking where you use, so you can take any place in this room. All the seats are separated with required social distancing for COVID purposes. Usually this room can sit 20 students. This is another room which is for senior classes, which includes physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, instrumental analysis, and environmental chemistry. So all of these use this lab. You'll see a whole lot of very high-tech equipment again in this lab, and you will be taking many classes here. You may also take lab safety class in this room. So this lab is used for multi-purpose, all different classes. On the inside this room, you'll find there is another small room which is 209A, where TAs prepare all different kind of instruments and then chemicals for different labs.